So portrait drawing on a black paper with white pencil. So let's learn from the beginning. First I have take a black paper. This is a black sketch paper, sketchbook from Brastro brand, normal sketchbook, and the pencil I am using is a white charcoal pencil. This is again from Brastro brand. You can use any brand white charcoal pencil or pastel pencil. Okay, these charcoal or pastel are like chalk, and you can always blend them with your finger. So to draw a portrait or anything on a black paper, you need a pencil like this. So I am doing the portrait step by step. If you want to do with me, you can do. You have to buy a black paper and a white pencil like this. I'll give some link of the materials I use, so that if you want to buy, you can see in my description box. There will be two products. One is the black paper, another is the white pencil. So if you wish to draw with me and wants to buy the product, you can buy from the link. So this is my YouTube channel where I give step-by-step tutorials and all of the about the drawing materials I use. Here the white pencil, the black paper, and all the materials I have used will be given. So this is how a portrait is drawn on a black paper. This type of portrait is called a silhouette portrait, where the light comes from one side and another side is black, and you have to draw just the light part. The dark part you have to leave, and the portrait automatically comes to life. You can see many drawings of this type in my YouTube channel. So if you wish to learn them, watch my videos till the end, and these videos are step-by-step tutorials, so you can always do with me. And if you like my drawings, then request you to please subscribe my channel to learn drawings in detail, step by step. So see this, a little girl portrait is drawn in an easy way. You can see many animals portrait also in this manner, many male female portrait. So request you to visit my YouTube channel. So I'm signing. Thank you. Bye bye.